Welcome everybody. Today's video finds us over here at Suvarnabhumi Airport. And what we're going to do is we're going to jump on the SkyTrain or the BTS and we're going to go from here to town. But before we do that, I'm going to show you around the airport, show you a couple of your options, and let's see what we see. And where I am right now, this is one of the most photoed spots here at the airport. They have two of these giants that are right here on the departures level. Right here is where everybody is leaving to go catch their flights. And this is what you'll see when you're getting ready to leave if Thailand isn't your final destination, all the check-in counters here. This is up on the 4th floor. You can see, depends on where your airline is. It goes all the way from A way down there, all the way down to U. And you can check these boards here and it tells you which row that you check in. This is outside the arrival, so if you have a taxi or whatever, the bus, they can drop you off right out here. So the 3rd floor, the restaurants and everything. So you can see right here, here's the layout of the terminals. 4 is departure, 3 is the shops, restaurants, 2 arrivals, 1 is all the buses, and then the airport link is down in the basement. Down here they have a meeting point. If you're a non-ticketed passenger, you have to stay back behind. You see this is the meeting point, and then everybody comes out of immigration and customs right there. This is a popular place, everybody with their little signs. And so this is what you'll see when you come off the plane right here, all your family and everything. And let's go down to look at the ground transportation now. On the 1st floor, they have a limo van bus thing that takes you to Thai or Koh San Road if you go to exit 8. Over here between gates 7 and 8 are all of the bus services that take you to Koh San Road, to Hue Hin, to Pattaya, everything else. Right here are all the SIM cards to use in Thailand. Now the best thing that you can do, that I do, is when you come, is already have the YesSIM downloaded, and then you can use promo code ENDLESS25, and that will save you a little bit of dollars, and then you just activate it and then you keep on walking. So simply open up the App Store, search for the YesSIM. It's good for Apple as well as iOS. Then open up the app and then you can get the instructions on how to install it. It takes about 3 minutes. It's very simple and easy to do. After you install it, then you can search through the plans that you want to use. They have country-specific apps. They have regional if you're looking for Southeast Asia or Europe. They also have global packages. In addition to that, they have a certain amount of data you can use or unlimited. After you select which plan you want, you can choose to either activate it then or you can activate it upon arrival. The best way to do it is to purchase it, and then whenever you get here, you land, just simply turn off your data and turn on the YesSIM as the global package, and then you're ready to go. And when you check out, if you use the promo code ENDLESS25 with a capital E, that will save you 20%. It also supports the channel a little bit. I've used the application all around the world and it's one of my go-to apps. So go outside gate 7. This is where the taxi stands are. So there's a few different options here. Short distance, regular taxis, large taxis. Now whenever you use a taxi here, there is a 50 baht surcharge that goes to the driver. That's them coming here and accessing the airport. You can use an electric taxi also, and make sure they turn the meter on. Some of them will try to not use that. You can also do the express bus that's 60 baht. Takes you to Koh San Road and Sonam Luang. And the large ones are 40 baht, 35 baht for the turning on the meter for the taxis. Come over here, use these little machines, and they give you a ticket to give to them and get out into your taxis. And they're all queued up over here, and they have the numbers up above the lanes that you just go and get in it. The taxi is good if you have a big group or a lot of luggage and you don't want to take it onto the BTS. Also, if you show up here after midnight, before 5:30 a.m., you won't be able to take that. The BTS hours are only from 5:30 a.m. until midnight. Let's go down to the basement level now. Right here in the middle of the airport is the BTS. They have currency exchange here also. Now, I would exchange as little as possible at the airport, get into town, and then find a super rich that seems to have the best rates. Yeah, this is the super rich. So if you see these branches around town, they generally have the best rates. And you have a couple options here. You can use the machines, or you can go to the window over there. Machines are pretty easy. There's dual languages. Okay, so where we're going is right here at Suvarnabhumi. You can get off at Whirlwind if you want to exchange to the yellow line, or you can get off here at Phetchaburi, which is Makassan, and this is the MRT, which is the subway, or you can get off all the way over here at Payatai, and that accesses to the Sukhumvit BTS line, and that's where we'll go to, is the total of 8 stations. Okay, so here's the machine here, so you can see it is in English. You can change it between English and Thai. So we're at Suvarnabhumi, and we're going to go all the way to Payatai. So one person is 45 baht, and they accept up to 100 baht notes. And then they give you a little disc like this that will be read at the ticket gates. Now this trip takes about 35 minutes or so. So a pro tip is to go to the bathroom before you go. So they have the machines, you can use your credit card also. So you take your little ticket, come over here, scan it, gates open up, and then we'll go down and get on the train. So it's 45 baht for the full length of this, which the service fee just for the taxi is 50 baht. So it's already cheaper than that. Down here is the queue. So the train terminates here, so everybody will get off. The train comes about every 10 minutes. There's some little screens that'll tell you when the next train arrives. As the train's coming. So what they do is everybody will get off, and then security goes through the train, so you can't board right away. Then once they clear it, then you can get on and get your seat. And it gets pretty full during peak hours. Security goes through it. They also clean it up. Then they give you the go-ahead, and you can get on. All right, we can get on. So they have the seating for the pregnants and monks and old people, and then everybody else has to just kind of stand. And you got to hold your luggage in front of you. And here we go. So the first station is underground, and then the other 7 will be above ground. We're above ground now. See all the planes out there. Yeah, the train has AC. It's pretty comfortable, easy to ride. Now they don't do the express anymore. They stop at every station. The express wasn't very popular, so now this is just basically a commuter train. So we're stopping at Whirlwind. So if you're on the yellow line, this is where you get off, and you can transfer right here. Okay, so this is Makassan. This is the major transfer before the end. This one gets you to the subway, the MRT, the blue line. And then the platform to go back to the airport is on the other side here. Yeah, you have to leave and you go underground for the blue line. Here we are after about a half hour. It's Payatai, the terminal station. All right, so let's go down the escalators and we'll go to the BTS now. Okay, so the little token that we bought earlier, we'll need to stick it in the slot here. Okay, so now the BTS. So you can buy tickets here on your return trip, or the windows, same as everywhere. We'll go over to the BTS. It's down a level and a short walk over here. And then this is the BTS. This is the Sukhumvit line. And it pretty much opens up everything from here. Almost all of Bangkok you can access by the BTS now. Yeah, so we rode it all the way to here, and you can go to Sukhumvit, you can go parts north, you can go to the Siloam line over here, and you can go up to the pink line and purple and everything else. Now you can buy single tickets, or what you can do is you can show them your passport and you get the BTS card like this. It's a refillable card, and it's a little bit cheaper, a couple baht per trip. So that will help you save a little money. Plus you don't have to deal with going to the counter every time. Well, that'll finish up our video over here in Bangkok. So I got to show you Suvarnabhumi Airport, showed you the options of getting from the airport to town. To me, the easiest and the cheapest is just jumping on the SkyTrain, the BTS. 45 baht all the way to the end. It's a little cheaper if you get off at Makasan or Hua Mak and you do the other lines. Anyway, it's super fast and easy. And also check out the Yesim if you're landing here. Saves you a lot of time. You just land, turn on the eSIM, and you're good to go. And you just pay for usage or the plan that you want. If you buy the BTS card, saves you a little bit also, and you don't just refill it one time and then you can use it. So hopefully this helped. If you have any questions or comments, ask me down below. I've done this trip hundreds of times. If you like the video, smash the like button. New to the channel, subscribe, and then check out other videos. I'll pin a comment to my Bangkok channel or a playlist so you can see that. And until next time, from over here in Bangkok, remember, life is a journey. So until next time, enjoy.